tell you about myology of radius and ulna. Firstly, I am going to tell you about what is radius and what is ulna. Know that the radius and ulna are two long bones that makes up the forearm, extending from the elbow to the wrist in the anatomical position. The radius is found in the lateral forearm and the ulna is found in the medial forearm. अच्छा, अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी that what is radius. The radius is the shorter than the ulna and has a small proximal end. Which articulates with the humerus and a broad distal end. And that articulates with the carpal bones at the wrist. The radius is the lateral bone of the forearm. It has a long bone that has a three main parts: the distal end, shaft, and a proximal end. Now I am going to tell you about the muscles of the radius. First of all, there is biceps radius, biceps brachii, which insert on the radial tuberosity, responsible for the forearm supination on the elbow fusion. उसके बाद है Pronator Teres, insert on the lateral surface of the radius pronates the forearm. अब है Supinator, wraps around the upper third of the radius supination of the forearm. Brachioradialis, insert on the distal radius, fits the elbow joint in the pronate position. Now I am going to tell you about the ulna. The ulna is one of the two bones which make up the forearm, the other being the radius. It forms the elbow joint with the humerus and also articulates with the radius both proximally and distally. It is located in the medial forearm when the arm is the anteriorly positioned. It is the large of the two forearm bones. Ulna assists in pronation and supination of the forearm and hands. Now I am going to tell you about muscles of ulna. Biceps Brachii. Insert on the declaration on the ulna, extend the elbow. Anaconus. Insert on the elongation and upper ulna assist in elbow extension. Pronation quadratus. Attached to the distal ulna and radius pronates the forearm.